Hi, my name is Amanda Risen, and I would like to walk you through a quick tutorial of Math Techbook. To select Math Techbook, find the left navigation bar, select it. To choose a different course, you click on the course, choose a different option. You may look at content in three ways, either the overview, which is how it is set as a default, the table of contents view, which is shown here, or you may view by standards. Let's choose a concept. In the concept, you'll see three different tabs as well as your model lesson tab for teachers. In the Discover tab, you have different investigations through Engage, Investigate, and Summarize, and these are where students can demonstrate their understanding. Under Practice, you have two options, Coach or Play. During Coach, students are allowed to receive feedback based on their responses through the program. In Play, students are on their own to answer their questions without any additional feedback. There is also additional resources listed under this tab. Under the Apply tab, this is where students are going to take the previous knowledge that they've learned, and they might be required to do some research to answer an essential question based on what they've previously learned. Let's look at the toolbar. The toolbar first is Actions. This allows you to save to a quick list or My Content for ease of access later, or you may assign materials. Your Share option allows students that have access to Discovery Ed login, they can be shared material through these options. Your Print, this is for those students who have offline access at home. You would be able to print a page, tab, or a concept for them. This is your Language display. There is both English and Spanish. Under the dashboard, this is where after you've assigned something to a student, you can look at in the different tabs or whatever investigation that you've assigned them, they will actually list their scores through this color coding. You can display these options for the class by hiding their names, or you can unclick that option and keep that material and data for yourself. Let's look at the glossary. In the glossary, these are terms viewed by concept. If I were to choose a concept, students are able to see words based on their definition, an animation of that, as well as a video. Math tools, these are available to the students so that as they're working on any of the concepts, they would have access to these to be able to show their work and work out additional problems. The Math Techbook community is going to send you to the Den so that you could ask other professionals and read on topics that they're working on as well, and that is a good resource for ideas for using Math Techbook. The last button is for your teacher presentation mode. You can toggle between on and off. At the moment, with it being off, it will display your teacher notes and any model lessons. However, when I turn that on, then you are able to display this view for your classroom and have for a group setting discussion. Let's build an assessment. Going to the left navigation bar, select Builder Tools. You will see three options in the assessment builder. You can have standards and concept-based, which will give you an answer question bank that you can select from. Or you may choose your practice assessment that gives you not only the question bank, but you have the ability to add your own questions. To go back to the home page, click on the the Discovery icon. If you have further questions, feel free to contact me, or you may select your Professional Learning tab at the bottom. Any Learn and Lead videos or tutorials are listed right here for any additional questions.